Welcome to another episode of Problems with Evolution, and today we're looking at the problem of mutations. Now, once it became obvious that natural selection could never bring about evolution, people shifted to the field of genetic mutations. But there's many problems with mutations, as we're about to find out. Now, everyone agrees that both natural selection and genetic changes do take place, but there are at least 4 compelling reasons that I'm going to look at for discarding that idea that they combine to produce the new life forms that evolution demands. First up, mutations occur extremely rarely. It's like once in every 10 million duplications of a DNA molecule. Second, far from producing strong improved genes that would promote evolution, virtually all mutations, 999 out of every 1,000, are harmful, actually weaken the organism or destroy it altogether. As one fella said, it's like the way typing errors really improve the quality of a written message. If too many occur, then they destroy the information that's contained in it. Philip Johnson went even further than that and said it's to suppose that such a random event could reconstruct even a single complex organ like a liver or a kidney is about as reasonable as to suppose that an improved watch can be made by throwing an old one against a wall. Thirdly, while beneficial mutations leading to improved species would cause an increase in the genome's information, no such increase has ever been observed. The neo-Darwinians would like us to believe that large evolutionary changes result from a series of small events if there are enough of them. But if these events all lose information, they can't be the steps in the kind of evolution the theory is supposed to explain. No matter how many mutations that there are. The failure to observe even one mutation that adds information is more than just a failure to find a support for the theory. It's evidence that is absolutely against that theory. Fourthly, for any new functional organ to be effective, it would have to arrive on the scene all at once as a complex, operating, complete entity. But take the eye, for example, and this is just one of the many complex organs within the human body. The eye, it comes with an automatic aiming system, focusing, aperture adjustment. It's got 130 million receptor cells. 124 million are like rod-shaped and they differentiate between light and darkness. 6 million are cone-shaped and they identify up to 8 million variations of colour. Are we seriously to believe that this staggeringly sophisticated organ came into being through a step-by-step, accidental, purposeless, trial and error process that took millions of years? No. And even if every one of the eye's components were in place, it would achieve nothing unless they were precisely wired to an amazing complex millions of nerve cells in the brain. We are fearfully and wonderfully made.